MyTaxPrepOffice makes tax preparation easy with our quick return search. This feature saves you time by finding client information quickly and easily. The quick return search provides you the ability to look up the taxpayer's return demographics or a tax summary. Located on your real-time dashboard, you will see the quick return search widget, which gives you the option to input the client's social security number, EIN, name, phone, or email. For this example, let's enter a social security number. On the Quick Return Summary page, you will find the Return tab, which displays demographic information such as the return type, taxpayer, spouse, preparer, and bank information. The Tax Summary tab displays income, credit, tax, payment, and state information if a state return was filed. Once you transmit the return electronically, the eFile tab will display eFile information such as the federal and state status. If the client is receiving a refund, the amount due will be shown, along with the Check Refund button that'll take you directly to the IRS Where's My Refund page. The eFile History tab will also display a short summary of the federal and state status, along with other return information. And you can also view or edit this return by clicking the Open Return button. You can also access the Quick Return Search option while viewing any recent return. Choose a return from the Recent Returns widget. In the right-hand panel, locate the eFile Status Quick Return Summary. You are once again able to search by Social Security number, EIN, name, phone, or email. Once entered, you can view the return information in the tabs that are listed below: Return, Tax Summary, eFile, and eFile History. You can use this option to search a taxpayer's information without having to close the return you are currently working on. The Quick Return Search feature enables you to be more efficient and productive this tax season. This completes the training video on how to use the Quick Return Search feature. If you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center by clicking the Support button at the top of your MyTaxPrepOffice screen. Thank you for watching.